Hello and welcome back to Fluent Path English.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel, and together we help you practice real everyday English in a simple, fun way.
Quick favor before we start, if you enjoy episodes like this, hit subscribe and drop a like. It genuinely helps more learners find us.
Today's topic is one everyone can relate to, our jobs. You'll learn how to describe what you do, how you feel about it, and pick up some really useful vocabulary along the way.
Let's get into it. So, Daniel, how are you today?
Honestly, a little tired. My cat woke me up ridiculously early this morning, demanding breakfast.
That cat has zero patience.
None at all. He was meowing at the door before the sun even came up. What about you? Did you sleep well?
Actually, yes. Some tea, a bit of reading before bed, very relaxing.
Lucky. My mornings are rarely that calm. But anyway, I'm ready. Let's talk jobs.
So, what do you do? What's your job?
I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What does a graphic designer actually do day to day?
I design logos for companies, choose colors, build websites, make posters look good. Basically, I turn ideas into visuals on a computer.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy it?
I love it. I get to draw and use color all day. But it's not always easy. Sometimes a client says, "I don't like this color, change it." And then a week later says, "Actually, I liked the first one better."
That sounds frustrating.
A little, yeah. But staying patient is honestly part of the job. What about you? What's your job?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children around 6 to 10 years old.
That must be a lot of energy in one room.
Constantly. Sometimes it's chaos, sometimes it's completely calm. It really depends on the day. We read books, learn new words, play games, sing songs.
Do they behave well?
Sometimes. Other times they just want to run around. But when a kid finally understands something new, their whole face lights up. That part never gets old.
So both our jobs are kind of rewarding, just in different ways.
Quick pause here. If you're actually following along this far, drop the word rewarding in the comments. Just that one word. It tells us you're really here with us.
We genuinely appreciate that. It also helps this episode reach more learners.
All right. Rewarding means it makes you feel good inside, like your work actually matters. When a student finally understands something, I feel proud.
Same when a client loves a logo I made. That feeling is real. Where do you actually work, by the way?
A small language school close to my house. I walk there about 10 minutes.
That's convenient.
Very. What about you? You work from home, right?
Every single day. My office is literally inside my apartment.
Do you enjoy that?
Mostly, yeah. It's comfortable. Sometimes I even work in pajamas. But it gets lonely sometimes, since I only see my coworkers on video calls.
How many coworkers do you have?
5, but we mostly just talk during our Monday video meeting about projects for the week.
By the way, is Buster still causing chaos in the mornings?
Constantly. And honestly, when my eyes get tired from staring at the screen too long, I stand up, stretch, and sometimes ask him, "Buster, do you like this color?" He just says, "Meow."
I think that means he's hungry, not that he approves of your design choices.
You're probably right.
What's a typical day like for you?
I start around 9, check emails, talk to clients, then design for hours. Usually wrap up around 6.
That's a long stretch. My day's different. I start teaching at 8, finish at 3:30.
3:30? That's early. What do you do after?
Sometimes a walk in the park, sometimes coffee with friends. What about you?
Honestly, I just watch comedy shows. I like laughing after a long day of staring at a screen.
Same here, actually. We should do a whole episode on TV shows sometime.
Definitely. What's the best part of your job?
Taking an idea and turning it into something real. That never stops feeling satisfying. The hardest part is when a project is huge and takes forever to finish.
For me, the best part is definitely the kids. Curious, sweet, full of energy. The hardest part is when one of them is sad or upset. That's tough to watch.
That makes sense. You really do carry a bit of their emotions with you. Exactly, and it's worth it. Do you work weekends? Sometimes, a couple hours on Sunday to prep lessons. What about you?
No, weekends are strictly for resting. Saturday, I clean my apartment. Sunday, I just relax with a book.
Solid balance. So, what are you working on right now?
A logo for a new coffee shop called the Happy Bean, a coffee cup with a smiling face.
Cute. What colors?
The client wants brown, but brown alone felt a little dull, so I suggested adding orange. Bright, happy, like the sun.
Great combination.
What's actually inside your classroom?
Lots of color. A big world map on the wall, tons of books, toys, a whiteboard where I write new words. Kids love pointing at the map, asking, "Teacher, what's this country?"
That's adorable. Walk me through a typical morning.
I arrive around 8:15, prep my materials. Kids come at 8:30, we sing a good morning song every single day. It's our routine. Then new vocabulary, a quick game, a short break, a story, a little writing, then goodbye.
Busy, but structured.
Exactly. What skills does your job actually need?
Good drawing ability, knowing the software, creativity, and honestly, really listening to what the client actually wants. What about teaching?
Patience, mainly. Kids ask the same question 10 times. Being organized, since I plan every lesson, and kindness, so they feel safe.
You've got all of that for sure.
Thanks. Did you always want to be a designer?
Not at all. As a kid, I wanted to be a pilot. Then I fell in love with drawing and just switched paths.
I always wanted to teach, actually. I used to teach my toys when I was little.
That's charming. If you weren't teaching, what would you do?
Maybe a chef. Cooking genuinely relaxes me. What about you?
Probably a tour guide. I like meeting people and talking about my city.
You'd be great at that, honestly.
Maybe one day we open a little coffee shop for tired teachers and tour guides, with a logo made by me, of course.
A smiling coffee cup, obviously.
Obviously. Let's do a quick mini vocabulary review. Some useful words from today's conversation.
Great idea. First one, client. A client is a person or company that pays you for your work. The Happy Bean is your client.
Exactly. Next, coworker. Someone who works with you, same company, same boss. We're coworkers on this channel, for example.
Convenient. Something easy that saves you time or effort. A short walk to work is convenient.
Skill. Something you're good at because you learned or practiced it. Drawing is a skill. Speaking English is a skill too. You're literally practicing it right now.
And routine, the usual order of things you do regularly. My classroom routine is song, vocabulary, game, every single day.
One more, project. A specific piece of work with a beginning and an end. Designing one logo is a project, so is planning a lesson.
And last one, responsibility, something you have to do, your duty. My responsibility is taking care of my students and helping them learn.
Mine is finishing projects on time for my clients. It's a word about trust, doing the right thing reliably.
7 useful words: client, coworker, convenient, skill, routine, project, and responsibility. You don't need to memorize all of them today. Just try to hold on to 1 or 2.
All right, quick recap. We talked about what we do, where we work, our daily schedules, the best and hardest parts of our jobs, and picked up some solid new vocabulary along the way.
We also learned 2 really useful ways to ask about jobs. What do you do and what's your job? Both work perfectly in casual conversation.
And honestly, this whole episode was great listening practice too. Try replaying it and shadowing us, repeating what we say at the same time. It's fantastic for pronunciation.
Now it's your turn. Question of the day. What's your job or what's your dream job? You can answer with I am a or I want to be a. Drop it in the comments. We genuinely read every single one. And honestly, your answers sometimes inspire our next episode topics.
Before we go, a huge thank you for spending this time with us today. Learning a new language isn't easy, and the fact that you're here, listening, trying is genuinely impressive.
If this episode helped you, share it on your social media or send it to a friend who's also learning English. It's one of the best ways to help this channel grow and reach more learners like you.
Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and remember, mistakes are simply part of learning, not a sign you're doing it wrong.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.